Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. So today's video is a very exciting video because it is not only the unboxing of my favorite box, which is the Glamigo box. I have a giveaway as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know what is the giveaway. Moving on, I'm going to unbox the July Glamigo box, and as you guys know, Glamigo is India's #1 subscription box because they send out so many good brands in their monthly boxes, and also because of which they have lakhs and lakhs of customers all over India. So in this month they have sent out some premium brands to try. Also they have included some 10-step Korean skincare brands, out of which 5 products is included in this month's box, and you can try them out. If you were a subscriber last month, you must have received the Sephora's Votress serum. I had mentioned in my last month too. In case if you guys haven't checked that video, then I'll just mention the link here. Please do check that video to know what I'm talking about. So if you guys have received the Votress serum, and if you missed it last month, then do not worry guys. If you're a subscriber of this month, then you're gonna get a 50% coupon code with which you can buy the Sephora's Votress serum. So yeah, these are all the benefits which we are gonna get in the July Glamigo box. So do hurry and book your July Glamigo box to avail all these benefits. And yeah, let's get into the box. So this month's box looks like this. This is the same box which I received the last month as well. So it's the same blush nude box. Then we have a pamphlet in which they have mentioned the 5 steps Korean style skincare routine, and they have mentioned that there are 10 brands and free samples in the box, as well as all the products have been mentioned in here. So let's move on to the first product. The first product I see is a coffee, and it's Grecobe, the green coffee, a sachet full of health and happiness. It has 10 sachets of coffee here, and they are decaffeinated, no preservatives, no additives, and non-stimulative. So these are basically green coffee beans. I'm not a fan of green coffee beans, but anyways, I'll just try it and see if this is good. So yeah, this is the first product, and we have 10 sachets in it, and each sachet contains 500 mg of product. So the price for this one is 135 rupees. Then the second product we have is from Keeros. It's roasted super snack multi-seed. It's a sample size product. It's mentioned here as gift pack. They have also mentioned that bigger packs are available online and at leading stores near you. So they claim to be low glycemic index and with zero cholesterol. So they are basically a snack which are in the form of multi-seeds. So it's very healthy instead of munching on the chips and all. So they have green pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, watermelon seeds, sesame seeds, and dried dates. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It's actually morning. I'm gonna try this with my green coffee. So yeah, this is the second product, and the price for this one is not mentioned because it's the sample size product. Then the third product we have is a face wash. It's from Herb Island, and it's their vitamin C glow boosting and anti-aging scrub face wash. And I think it's an Australian brand because they have mentioned Australia here. So let me see what it claims. And it claims to boost up dull and grumpy skin because of the element vitamin C. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this because I have never tried the brand Herb Island. So yeah, I'm really excited for this, and the price for this one is 475 rupees. Then the next product we have is a sunblock lotion. So it's from Blossom Culture. It's their Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. It has SPF of 30, and it claims to protect and mattify the skin. So yeah, I've used this product before. I don't remember in which subscription box I got this product, but I have used this product. I think I've used the bigger size. So this is, I guess, a sample size product. Yes, it's a sample size product, and I have used it before, and it's quite nice, and it doesn't give you that whitening effect when you apply the sunscreen. It's quite nice, and it gets absorbed into the skin very easily. So yeah, this was the next product, and it's a sample size. Then we have makeup remover balm. Again, it's a sample size product, and it's from Pretty Woman. It's their orange and watermelon with argan oil and vitamin E. This is a new brand I'm coming through, and It's actually a sample size product again. It's basically a makeup remover balm like the Clinique Takeoff balm. So it's written here massage, melt and remove. So yeah, I'm really excited to try. I love using makeup remover balms because it's more convenient and easy to remove the makeup. So the product looks like this. It looks actually like a lip balm, and the smell is of watermelon and orange. It's really nice. It's very fruity. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I'll definitely let you guys know about this product on my Instagram, so do follow me there. I will review this product there. So the next we have is from Pureen, and it's their Radiance Day Cream. Again, I had received this product in one of the subscription boxes. I guess it was in Glamigo box only. So yeah, I have used this and it's really nice. It smells very calming. It's a really nice lightweight day cream. If you're looking for one of that kind, it's really nice. It gives a really good glow. So yeah, really happy to receive one more tub, and I was going to travel anyways, so I'm definitely going to take this with me. And this is a sample size, so price is not mentioned in here. Then we have a cleansing charcoal nose strip for instant glow from Hip Hop Skincare. I've never heard of this brand. It's the first time I'm coming through this brand. So it claims to remove the blackheads, whiteheads, oil and dirt. It's basically a nose strip, and it's again a sample size. It's just one nose strip here. They have mentioned the steps to use it, and who doesn't like an extra nose strip? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this and see if this works for me. So yeah, this is the next product. Then we have the Votre product, which is the Sephora brand, and it's their Votre Microdermabrasion Spa Exfoliant. It's a 30 gram of product, and the price is not mentioned here. I guess it's a sample size product. So yeah, I have received a lot of Votre products like their day cream, their radiance creams, their night creams, but I haven't received this Microdermabrasion Spa Exfoliant. So I'm really excited to try this one, and trust me guys, Votre is a really nice brand. I feel it's an underrated brand, but it's a really good brand. It has actually done really good things to my skin. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one as well. Then the last one we have is a roll-on, I guess. I'll just open this and see. This is a under eye roll-on. So it's from TUSBA. Again, it's a very new brand for me. It's from TUSBA Naturals Ice Tea under eye roll-on. It's a 9 ml of product, and again it's a sample size product. Again, under eye roll-ons are never enough. I have a lot of dark circles, so I definitely have to use roll-ons or under eye creams a lot. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one because it's a new brand and I love to try new brands. So we are really excited to try this one. So the product looks like this. It has this serum texture. So yeah, it's definitely going to hydrate the under eye area. So I'm definitely going to give this a try, and it has this very calming minty fragrance. So yeah, this was the last and the final product. So this was all I received in my July Glamigo box, and I'm really happy with this month's box because I'm getting to try a lot of new brands and products, and you can never try this if it's not a subscription box. So yeah, I'm really happy with the box. If you guys want to get your own July Glamigo box, then link is mentioned on the screen as well as in the description box. Do check it out. If you like it, then do subscribe to the monthly boxes. So moving on to the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be this month's Glamigo box. You're going to receive the same product, same box, and I'm going to choose one of you guys for the box. So the rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to follow Glamigo on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box so that it becomes easy for you guys. Also, you have to mention 3 fun facts about Glamigo box in the comment sections below, and that's it. You have entered the giveaway. The giveaway is only for one day, and I'll be choosing the winner in 24 hours, and I'll be posting it on my Instagram page, and the winner will be receiving the July Glamigo box. So yeah, do participate in the giveaway, and I'm very excited to know who will win this giveaway. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did. I loved unboxing so many products. And also do follow me on my Instagram. I will be posting reviews about each product on my Instagram page, so do follow me there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.